Ramadan is a time of reflection, devotion, and self-discipline. While fasting from dawn until sunset, it's crucial to maintain our health and well-being. Here are some tips to help you stay healthy during this holy month. First, let's talk hydration. Drinking plenty of water between iftar and suhoor is essential to avoid dehydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water during these hours. Incorporate hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your meals as well. Nutrition plays a pivotal role during Ramadan. For suhoor, opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, which provide sustained energy throughout the day. Iftar should include a balanced meal with proteins, vegetables, and a moderate amount of healthy fats to replenish your energy. Exercise is also key, but timing is everything. Engage in light to moderate workouts, such as walking or stretching, after iftar. This timing helps avoid fatigue and ensures you have enough energy from your meal. Lastly, don't forget the importance of rest. Ensure you're getting enough sleep at night and consider short naps during the day to help your body recover and maintain your energy levels. By following these tips, you can embrace the spiritual journey of Ramadan while keeping your body healthy and energized. Remember, listening to your body and making adjustments as needed is paramount.